Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer your tickets on Gametime app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Gametime app on a phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap on tickets at the bottom of the screen to see all the tickets you are currently have. Next, tap the event for the tickets you want to transfer. You will see your seat details and ticket option. Tap transfer tickets. This is usually a button right under your ticket information. Now enter the recipient's name, email address or phone number. Double check it to make sure it's correct. This is where the ticket will be sent. Tap next or continue. Review the transfer details to make sure the correct tickets and recipient name are selected. Once everything looks good, tap send ticket. The recipient will get an email or text with instruction to accept the ticket, and that's it. You have successfully transferred tickets on Gametime using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.